Managing facilities shouldn't feel like fighting fires. Yet too often facility managers are stuck battling outdated systems, disconnected data, and the absence of real-time visibility. That's where CAFM Resources comes in. Since 2007, we've been dedicated to providing intuitive, affordable tools to take charge of your spaces, assets, moves, maintenance, and more, all from your preferred browser. Welcome to Evolve FM, a computer-aided facility management and maintenance system that cuts through the noise, giving you real control without the cost or complexity. Keep track of your assets throughout their life cycle. Evolve FM's asset management helps you locate, manage, and maintain assets efficiently, reducing downtime and costs. Stay ahead of maintenance tasks with our maintenance management tools. Schedule preventive maintenance, manage work orders, and ensure your facilities run smoothly. With Evolve FM's space management, you can manage all the people, places, and things in your facility. Visualize occupancy, optimize layouts, and make informed decisions with ease. Need to book a conference room or reserve a workspace? Our space scheduling feature lets you view, book, and request rooms seamlessly, ensuring efficient use of shared spaces. Planning a move? Whether it's a simple one-off or a major project, our Move Management module provides comprehensive tools for planning and executing moves with minimal disruption. Access and manage your facility drawings and data through our Plan Room. It's a simple and intuitive browser interface that delivers facility information via your organization's intranet or the internet. Ready to take back control of your facilities? Contact CAFM Resources today to schedule a tailor-made demonstration and see how Evolve FM can simplify your workflows, reduce costs, and give you valuable time back in your day.